wire. When we touch it, the relay will click and we'll have a reading of overload, which means infinity or no connection between the two wires. When it's disconnected, we should have that close to 0 ohms reading, which means that the switch is now closed and there is signal going through it. Now it's time to wire our starter interrupt relay to our I/O cable. We're going to wire the black wire from the relay and the green wire from the I/O cable together using a butt connector. We're going to mount our relay to a spot on the frame of the dash in a hidden location up and out of the way using a zip tie. Then we're going to run our wire back up through the dash and out where we ran our original power cable. Now it's time to supply power to our relay. The power wire is the white wire, and we're going to connect it to the red wire, or the wire from pin 16 on our OBD2 connector. If you want to use an alternative power source, you'll have to make sure that it's an always-on, unswitched 12-volt power wire. We're going to go ahead and connect our white wire to this T connector, and you'll put it through the side that doesn't go all the way through. Then we'll connect the side that goes all the way through onto our red wire here at our OBD2 harness, once again the wire from pin 16. Now you've got to crimp the connector in to make sure that the wires are connected together, and we'll close the latch. Now it's time to cut the starter signal wire, the wire that transmits the signal from the ignition switch to the starter when the key is turned to the cranking position. You'll want to refer to your vehicle's wiring diagram, or you can isolate the wire by using a test light or multimeter. I've isolated the wire and pulled it out from the ignition switch harness. Pull it down so that we have access to it. We'll cut the wire and we'll connect it in line with the red and blue wire from the starter relay. Use this wire stripper to strip the wire back, and a butt splice connector to connect the two wires together. We'll crimp our butt splice connectors, and the installation of your starter kill relay is complete. Now it's time to connect our I/O cable and our power cable. The red and green LED will begin to blink once the power cable is connected. They will blink for up to 15 minutes. When the GPS unit achieves a lock with the satellite, only the green light will flash. Now I want to perform a test locate and starter disable enable. Log into enfotrace's website at enfotrace.com using the supplied username and login. Hit locate and verify the proper location of your vehicle. The locate could take up to 2 minutes, so be patient. For the starter disable enable, you'll first want to start your vehicle and verify that it starts properly. Let the vehicle run for about 1 minute and then shut the vehicle off. Log into enfotrace's website, hit disable. Now, verify that your vehicle does not start. You may need to wait up to 2 minutes for the signal to be sent. Once you verify that the disable works properly, you'll want to enable your vehicle. Hit enable, wait up to 2 minutes, and verify that your vehicle starts properly again. Now that we've tested and verified the proper function of the unit, I've secured and mounted the wires away from all moving parts using zip ties. We will now fasten our GPS unit using double-sided tape, and remember that the sticker faces down. Well, I've just finished putting my body panels back on and my installation is complete.